Hey guys, today I'm checking out this digital platform scale that I received for reviewing purposes. I think that it's a really nice unit because it doesn't need that much work to set it up, and I think that it's really nice. We got different functions that are gonna come really handy, like weighting functions, change the units, the Tare function that it's gonna help us when we are measuring some kind of ingredients, or if we are weighing what we're gonna place upon a container. We can set unit prices, and it will tell you the price depending of the weight, which I think that it's really nice. Okay, so let's go ahead and test it out. Okay, as you can see, it's already connected and it's really simple to set it up. Okay, we're just gonna take this and place it on. And as we can see in the backlit screen, the unit is on kilogram and it's a total weight of 2 kilograms. And in the case, we can set the unit price depending of the weight. In this case, I'll have it like 25. It's 2 kilograms, okay? And for each kilograms, it's a unit price of 35. Okay, so in this case, it gives us 50, which I think that it's simple. We can also have up to a total of 6 pre-saved unit prices. As you can see right now, it's on kilograms 20.35, and as it's 2 kilograms, it's double. Okay, I think that it's nice because you have different options, that way you can calculate it quite easily. We can also use the Tare function, so we can calculate the weight that is gonna go upon a certain container. In this case, we're first gonna place the container that we're gonna use upon the platforms, and we're gonna press the Tare button. Once that we have it pressed, it will go upon 0, and then we can start filling up the container with whatever we're gonna use. And when it's ready, we can check out the total weight. If we take out the container, it will show us that it's on negative numbers, meaning that it's missing it. And with just a touch of one button, we can decide if we want the backlight on or off with the LCD screen, which I think that it's really easy to read, as it is dual-sided, so you ain't got any kind of problem. It has a 660 pound capacity, and you can effortlessly measure heavy package for shipping, large luggage, or any kind of bulky equipment, or even smaller items like vegetable, fish, or even small pets. It uses some sensitive sensors which guarantees accurate and reliable readings every time that you use it, making it a really nice and reliable option for both heavy duty and everyday weighing tasks. I also like that you can use it both plugged in into the electrical outlet, or you can use it unplugged with the inbuilt battery. That way you can set it up whenever you need it, just take it with you, making it a really mobile option. Okay, and as you can see, it's quite nice. I like all the other functions that it has, making it really versatile in a kind of warehouse job, even in a bodega, food mart, whatever you think you can get a little bit more organized and help you with the workflow of weighting items. I think that it's really nice. What I think that it's nice is it has these all different functions, really easy to use with all the buttons right here. You don't need any kind of other setup by just having it plugged in, which I think that it's really nice. And overall, I think that it's great. All the material feels of a really nice quality. I think that it's perfect that you can set it up from different surfaces. If it's unleveled, with the stands you can adjust it. It's quite portable, and you can just take it with you anywhere you need. Turn it off, close it up, and move it around, which I think that it's nice. That way you can storage it without taking it a lot of space. Overall, I think that it's great, and I would really recommend it. So you guys,